Today I will be showing you how to build a grow tower. The final product is shown here. The materials you will need are 5 5-gallon buckets, 6 lids, a submersible water pump, 72 elbows, a male PVC adapter, 2 U-bolts, 8 hex bolts, and then 8 wing nuts to go on the back of the hex bolts. The tools you will need are a drill with a 1 5/8 bit, a 7/8 bit, and a 1/4 inch bit, a permanent marker, some sort of ruler, PVC primer and cement, and a saw. Preparing the buckets for the plant sites. The first thing we will do is remove the handles from the buckets, mark where we will drill the holes, and then drill them with a 1 5/8 bit. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure and mark lines on the bucket that are 2 3/4 inches apart. So here, and then it'll look like that, and you'll have 12 lines going around the bucket. So now we're going to drill them with a 1 5/8 drill bit. Okay. In this step, we're going to learn how to build the tower base. So the first thing you're going to need is a 7/8 drill bit, and you're going to take one of your bucket lids and you're going to put it on your base. So you're going to want to drill a bunch of holes, which you can either do with a 1/4 inch drill bit or a 7/8 because it's the base. So first, I'm going to drill one hole through the lid of the bucket and the base. Okay. You're going to want to do several of those, maybe like 20. And then next, you're going to take your U-bolt and you're going to line it up, and you're going to make a mark on the lid so you know how far apart to drill your 1/4 inch holes. Like that. And so you're going to need to drill 4 of those, and then when it's all done, it's going to look like this. And so then that goes right on like that, and all your holes should line up, and it should look like that. So now we're going to prepare to attach the buckets to the base. So this lid that you just drilled all the holes in, you're going to put it on top of one of your buckets. You're going to line the center up, and then you're going to take your 1/4 inch drill bit, and you're going to drill the same holes for your U-bolts. Okay, now you're going to drill a 7/8 hole in the center. Next, because you're going to want the maximum amount of water to flow through the bottom of the bucket, you're going to want this area cut out on both sides. So what I did was I drew 2 parallel lines, and that's where I'm going to cut out. So first, I'm going to use a pretty big drill bit, doesn't matter what size, and I'm going to drill it right next to the side, like that. And then I can put a saw in there, and I can cut it out, and I'm just going to keep doing that until it looks like this. So you see how that whole bottom's cut out on both sides? That's what you want. And then, once you have that, you're going to put the bottom of the lid on the bottom of the bucket like that, and then you're going to put your U-bolts in like that, and you're going to put them all the way through. And so you're going to do that including the base of the base. And so when you have your U-bolts in, that's what it looks like from the back, and that's what it looks like down the middle.
Scene 5.
So once you've secured the buckets to the lids, and you So now for the final step, we're going to assemble all the buckets. So you're going to take your lid and put it on like that. And then you're just going to start to stack your buckets. So this is what the tower looks like fully assembled. You have 4 buckets where the plants are actually going to grow out of, and then on the top bucket you just have your pipe that goes to about here, with then the water will come down and a lid on top. You can look in the description box below for a full set of instructions. Thanks for watching!